Hello, welcome back. We are actually going to do a nice little pattern for you. It's called a sweetheart walk with an outside underarm spin for who? The follower. Yes, what we're going to do is get this into an 8 count where there's a 2 walk or steps put into between the triples, all right? And now what that means is that you need to go to a private lesson style video to understand what that means fully, all right? So this is a quick view. So we're going to start off with a right to right hand hold, all right? And we're going to go a triple step, basic step, all right? So this is going to travel a little bit. So let's move this way just a tad bit more. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, walk, triple step, rock step. Yes? So let's take it on this side. Again, there's 2 versions here. 2 versions, all right? So we'll make sure that when you're doing this, that you have plenty of room. Okay, start it off. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, walk, triple step, rock step. And you notice that little walk has a little bit of a prep, right, left for her. You're not forcing that. You just kind of influence it. She does a lot of that for you. Cool? So that is version number 1. 2 different angles. Now we're on version number 2 for the second angle. Here we go. Here we go. And what's going to happen on this one, changes it up a little bit. So when we go basic first, all right, triple step, rock step, triple step, walk, triple step, rock step. Now you see I went on a little bit different viewpoint, went from one side to the other and did a walk, still 8 counts, all right? So let's take it from this side of the room and basic, triple step, rock step, triple step, walk, triple step, rock step. Very cool. Now you'll notice that she does, again, the right left on her 2 preps because that is needed for spinning. How do you know this? Go to private lesson style videos on the spins or the private lesson style video on this pattern and you're going to know why. Alright, so that is up to you to go practice this, then come on back for the next pattern.